Hello guys, it's Green here, and we're gonna play a very cool game that I got addicted to called PhantomForces. And about this game, it's a first-person shooter, you know, and I did choose some very good weapons here, like it shows a shotgun and a revolver. Just a simple Rex revolver. And I also did, and there even some skin loadouts. Even some cage loadouts, like the fauna cage, you know? Let's see if we get something very good here. Spider web again? Really? Okay. Spider web again. And let me check if the spider web is any different. Wait, do I have an M4? I have an M4. Wait. That looks pretty cool. Nah, but I'm not a big fan of the M4, so this is why I always use a shotgun, which is the KS-12. It's a very good gun. Now let's move on. And yeah, let's see. Oh, some people. Yes, okay. Got a kill. Very perfect. Revolver is very good. Got. Yes! Wow. Well, I like the attachment. I also do use some common skins, which are not even that bad. Like orange on shotgun. That looks legit. And, well, it's just first person. Let's see. Oh, okay. Where am I getting shot at? Wait. Just use this revolver for like range weapons. Wait. Okay, so. Oops. Oh, I see it. Okay, I see it. Wait. Better use this gun. Perfect way with the shotgun. Makes it very good. Just kill using this gun. Wait. Yeah. Perfect jump. Oh, okay. What? Oh, up! I died. Just someone was behind me the whole time. And okay, let's go. A very good try. A very good try. PhantomForces. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, what? What? Okay. Oh man, why am I? Okay. Let's like this. What? How did this guy even get to me? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Where's the enemies? Oh, there's one. Yep. Hey, eat my. Oh gosh. Any snipers? Anyone? Anyone here? Okay. Oh. How does someone even kill me with a knife by a far range? Does not make any sense. M60? No, I don't need M60. Gotta move on and kill people with the simple KSG. I might shoot some range for range weapons like these ones. These are very good simple revolvers. Oh man, what? Okay, that guy's pretty good. Oh, that's him. That was him. Oh man, why am I even not good at this game? Let's see if there's any new weapon attachments. Barrel. R2 suppressor. Yeah. Ooh, this optics are very good. Vertical grip. Nice. Under barrel. Yep. Very nice. So let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh yeah. This is what I need. Like a under barrel. Yeah. That's what I need. And I really do need attachments for my revolver. Yes, this is very good. And I might end up... Wait, what? Okay. Let's see if someone's here. Okay. Well, this guy have a frag grenade. Frag grenade was here. Oh, there's the enemy. Better be shocking low. Oh, okay. So, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys enjoy Phantom Forces, just leave a like.